Did you know you've been throwing away a hidden treasure every single day? That's right. I'm talking about eggshells. The next time you crack open an egg, think twice before tossing that shell into the trash. Believe it or not, eggshells have some amazing uses you'll wish you knew sooner. Before we jump in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. 1. Relief from joint pain. This hack might sound weird, but trust me, it works. Soak eggshells in apple cider vinegar for a few days. This releases collagen, glucosamine, and other joint-soothing nutrients into the vinegar. Massage it onto sore joints, and you'll feel relief quicker than you'd imagine. 2. A safer way to scrub your skin. Did you know your exfoliating cleanser could be harming marine life? Instead, crush dried eggshells and mix them with an egg white to create a powerful, eco-friendly scrub. Your skin and the environment will thank you. 3. DIY calcium supplement. Forget expensive supplements. Eggshells are nature's perfect calcium pills. Just one eggshell has about 2 grams of calcium, twice your daily requirement. Blend finely ground eggshells into smoothies, soups, or even your pet's food for stronger bones and teeth. 4. Chemical-free household cleaner. Forget harsh chemicals. Eggshells naturally scrub grime without damaging surfaces. Mix crushed shells with baking soda and a bit of water, and you have a powerful yet safe cleaner for sinks, pots, and even showers. 5. Mug stain magic. Got stubborn tea or coffee stains on your favorite mug? Fill it with crushed eggshells and water overnight. The shells absorb the stains, leaving your mugs spotless without scrubbing. 6. Pest control hack. Slugs and soft pests hate crawling over sharp eggshells. Scatter broken shells around your plants to create an invisible fence they won't cross. 7. Calcium boost for plants. Tomatoes and peppers suffering from blossom end rot? Calcium deficiency could be the culprit. Sprinkle crushed eggshells around plants to save your harvest and boost yields. 8. DIY sidewalk chalk. Here's a fun one for the kids. Crush eggshells, add flour, water, and food coloring, and mold the mixture into toilet paper rolls. Once dry, you've got eco-friendly chalk, perfect for outdoor creativity. 9. Compost booster. Finally, when in doubt, compost. Eggshells break down quickly, enriching compost with calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Your garden will flourish like never before. Safety tip: remember, always clean your eggshells thoroughly and bake them at 150 degrees for 10 minutes before use, just to be safe. Who knew eggshells were hiding so many incredible benefits? You'll definitely think twice before throwing them out next time. But I'm curious, which of these eggshell hacks surprised you the most? Or do you already have a clever eggshell trick you swear by? Share your experiences in the comments. And remember to smash the like button if you learned something new today, and subscribe for more amazing life hacks. Catch you next time.